Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Medium Partner Program for Affiliate Income Pathways easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, create a Medium account if you don't already have one. Visit medium.com and click on sign up in the top right corner. You can join using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the platform. Explore existing articles to understand the types of content that resonate with readers. Next, navigate to the Medium Partner Program page. You can find this by searching Medium Partner Program in the search bar. Once you're on the Partner Program page, read through the requirements carefully. You'll need to meet specific criteria to qualify for the program. After reviewing, click on the Join button to apply. Fill in the required information about yourself. This may include your payment information for future earnings. Once submitted, wait for your application to be reviewed. After approval, you'll gain access to the benefits of the program. Now, it's time to focus on creating quality content. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and can regularly write about. Research topics that are trending or widely discussed in that niche. Begin drafting your first article. Ensure it's engaging, informative, and meets Medium's guidelines. Insert affiliate links naturally within your content where relevant. Take care to disclose any affiliate relationships to maintain transparency. After writing, edit your article for clarity and grammar. Once satisfied, publish your article by clicking the Publish button. Promote your article through social media and relevant communities. Engage with readers in the comments section to build relationships. Monitor the performance of your articles through Medium's analytics. Adjust your strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Continue to publish regularly to build your presence on the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.